Hello little artist. Welcome to Kids Drawing Hub. Today we are going to draw a colorful drawing. Let's draw together. Welcome to Kids Drawing Hub. Let's start. At first we took a marker pen. We draw a straight line. Next we draw another straight line to parallel it. Then we draw the stick. We draw a small line into the box to separate it. Next we draw a triangle using two lines. Then we draw a curve to join it. We draw a small curve into triangle. Here we draw the stick. Now it's ready. We draw the third one. Here we draw a curve. Then we draw the same curve to parallel it. Then we draw two straight lines and made a shape of triangle. Then we draw the cream. Our third one is ready. We draw the next. First we draw a small line. Then we draw two parallel big lines and made a rectangle. In the middle we draw some straight line to divide it. Next we draw the stick. Wow, it looks super easy and beautiful. Yellow color. Yellow color. Orange color. Orange color. Red color. Red color. Green color. Yellow color. Pink color. Pink color. color. Red color. Red color. Green color. Green color. Green color. Yellow color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like.